to my YouTube channel. So this video I'm gonna share everything. I'm gonna compare prices as well. I'm gonna drop in some hints and all, and I hope you would like this video. So do subscribe and watch my video till the end. Okay, kita nak unboxing Ikea's item dulu. All of this are from Ikea. So kita beli dekat Ikea Damansara, and ada yang kita beli dekat Cheras. Blankets from this one is from Ikea as well. I personally choose this color sebab kita nak ikut autumn, right? I wanna follow the autumn fall season color, so this one will be perfect. And also they had this sheet. This one is 200 by 200. This one is king size bed. This one is suitable for king size. will show you on how we assemble everything. Finally, I saw this one. This one is jasmine, but I really like the design of it, so I took. And we'll be going for object. Personally went there for this diffuser, vanilla. It says over here vanilla. I chose this two color. This one is red and this one orange in color. It's very nice. It's very soft. So I'll be showing you guys very soon. Is it cheap compared to Kaison and Ikea? The cheapest would be Kaison, only 10 cents or 20 cents differences. Then I went to Kaison. I saw this one, a throw. What do you call it? Throw. So this one would be on the couch here because my boys really love to use it. Starbucks, bought this one. I want to try their flavors. I couldn't find their pumpkin flavor, but chocolate it is. This is one last thing I'm going to show you. Breakfast table.